You are going to love this video because these are not loud, obvious, try-hard things. These are the soft, sneaky, cute habits that slowly get into his head and stay there. Most girls do these without even realizing how powerful they are, and that's what makes them dangerous in the best way. If you've ever wondered why some girls make guys fall deep while others get ignored, this video explains it. These habits feel natural, innocent, and effortless, but they hit his heart hard. So if you want him thinking about you at random hours, smiling for no reason, and missing you quietly, stay till the end. Point 1. When she forgets what she was saying mid-story. When a girl is talking and suddenly forgets why she even started the story, it does something strange to a guy's heart. It shows she feels comfortable enough to be unfiltered and real around him. He finds it cute because it feels unscripted, like he's seeing her raw personality. That tiny pause, the confused smile, the wait, what was I saying moment, sticks in his head. It makes him feel like he's part of her safe space. Guys fall for moments that feel exclusive, not perfect. This habit makes him want to protect her softness without even realizing it. In his mind, that moment replays later when he's alone. He remembers her expressions more than the words she forgot. It feels intimate because she wasn't performing or trying to impress him. It tells him she's not guarded around him. That's rare, and rarity creates attachment. He starts paying closer attention to her after that. Slowly, she becomes someone he emotionally notices. Over time, he associates her with warmth and comfort. He feels relaxed around her without knowing why. That's how emotional attraction starts quietly. This habit makes him want to listen more, not less. He starts valuing her presence over conversations, and without saying it, he begins falling. Point 2. The way she sits or exists softly. When a girl sits comfortably, not stiff or overly posed, it sends a powerful signal. It shows confidence mixed with softness, and that combination is addictive. Guys notice when a girl feels natural in her own body. The way she tucks her legs, leans slightly, or relaxes her shoulders feels feminine and calm. It doesn't scream for attention, and that's why it gets it. He feels drawn to her energy, not just her looks. This habit makes her presence soothing. He starts feeling peaceful just being around her. It's not sexual at first. It's emotional. He notices small details like how she plays with her sleeves or adjusts her hair absent-mindedly. Those tiny movements stay in his mind longer than dramatic gestures. He begins associating her with comfort and safety. That's when attraction deepens. Eventually, he prefers her presence over loud spaces and chaotic people. He feels grounded when she's near. That's how a guy starts choosing one girl emotionally. This habit makes him feel like she's different. And once he feels that, it's hard to unfeel. Point 3. When she annoys him playfully. When a girl annoys him in a soft, playful way, it hits his inner child. Teasing, joking, and lightly poking fun creates chemistry without pressure. It shows confidence and closeness at the same time. He doesn't feel attacked, he feels included. This kind of annoyance makes him laugh even when he pretends to be irritated. It creates shared moments only they understand. That's emotional bonding. He starts looking forward to her messages and reactions. Even small arguments feel fun instead of draining. He feels mentally stimulated around her. That playful tension keeps him hooked. It makes interactions memorable instead of boring. He feels alive around her. Slowly, she becomes his favorite kind of chaos. He misses her energy when she's not around. This habit creates emotional dependence without manipulation. It's light, cute, and powerful. And that's why he falls deeper. Point 4. Holding his arm in small situations. When she casually holds his arm while crossing the road or walking through a crowded place, it does something intense. It's not loud or dramatic, but it feels intimate. That small touch signals trust and closeness. He instantly feels protective without being asked. It makes him feel needed in a soft way. This habit hits his instincts deeply. He remembers it long after it happens. He becomes more aware of her presence beside him. His focus shifts to her safety and comfort. That physical closeness strengthens emotional bonding. It feels natural, not forced. He doesn't feel used, he feels chosen. That difference matters a lot. Over time, he associates her with warmth and connection. He feels closer to her without having a label. This habit builds attachment slowly but strongly. It makes him want to stay close. And that's how love grows quietly. 5. The way she listens. Fully, when a girl listens with her eyes, not just her ears, it changes everything. It makes him feel seen and valued. She doesn't interrupt or rush him. Her attention feels calm and genuine. This habit builds emotional intimacy fast. He opens up more without realizing it. That vulnerability creates attachment. He feels understood in a way he doesn't experience often. Her reactions matter more than advice. He starts sharing deeper thoughts with her. That emotional exchange becomes addictive. He feels connected on a deeper level. This habit makes her irreplaceable. Eventually, he trusts her emotionally. Trust turns into attachment. Attachment turns into love. This habit works silently but powerfully, and once it works, it's hard to reverse. If you noticed, none of these habits are loud, fake, or forced. They are soft, natural, and emotionally powerful. That's why they work so well. Real attraction grows in small moments, not big performances. If this video made you smile or think of someone, you already know how real this is. Comment which habit you relate to the most. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more cute, emotional, and real content.